This week, I'll be walking you through the use of average function on Excel. The average function returns the average from a given range of numbers. You should know that in mathematics, the average returned is the arithmetic mean. Now let's go ahead to find the average sales total for the fruit items here, the average sales total for the meat items, and for the pastry items here. Now you should know that when you start a function in Excel, you should always start with an equal to, right? So to access the average function, we'll type in average, as you can see, then press the tab key to open the parentheses and click your range of items to get that. Then close the parentheses. Now the average sales total for these fruit items is 42.5. Here we have our average just by, don't forget, using an equal to, typing in average, then clicking on your range of items, then closing your parentheses. That is all. Another way you could do that is by using the AutoSum function. Now, this is where I want my average to be. I would go to the formulas tab, right? Then click on AutoSum and press average. As you can see, Excel would find the average of the nearest range of items for me. It is an automatical function in Excel. So all I need to do here is to press enter. As you can see, our average sales total for meat items is 35. Now that is all to do. A very simple way to get our average is by clicking on the data set, then coming to the right down part, the right down part of our sheet, then seeing the status bar here. As you can see, you have average, then 35. So we're just going to go over what we've done again. We are going to start by using the equal to sign to make sure you understand it. Equals to, right? Average, then press the tab key, click on the range of items you want to get the average for, then close the parentheses, then you press enter. Now we have our average sales total for the pastries item. Using the AutoSum formula, we just go over here and press AutoSum, then click on average. As you can see, Excel has clicked on the nearest range of items and put in an average function for you. Just need to press enter. And that is all about the average function on Excel. Thank you. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if this video helps you.